Howdy folks, I'm James Gerard Lee Garvin, and this is a day in my life. I'm here at the Pacific Ocean in the Pacific Northwest, and look at all the beauty. It's a beautiful July day, clear blue sky. Look at all the blue and the green. Just awesome. Come out here just to get some peace and kind of help heal. Nature's kind of a healing thing, and it's kind of a special place here, the Pacific Ocean, to me. If you folks like these videos, I'd like you to like and subscribe if you could. That'll help me make more of them.